Hello and welcome back to our channel. I hope you enjoyed your holidays because I believe from Christmas and up to today we haven't done any exercise in terms of our coding because previous videos were more of educational rather than the actual coding work. So today we are back on a track with creating videos and getting information for inform getting data for making informed investment decisions. What we are going to do today, as 2024 year has ended, so would be good from my perspective to check which stocks and ETF did it best and which did it worst. So we are going to check the top 10 stocks and top 5 ETFs which did best and worst 10 stocks and worst 5 ETFs which hadn't had a good year in 2024. We had a little pause for educational series, and today's video is the part 1 of our actual coding exercise because we are not going to write it down all today, but rather excuse me, we are going to create a file, we are going to create a formula how we're going to calculate it and prepare everything for the next session, which will be our actual code for it. So today we will create the file, we will set the structure and prepare it to complete during next session. What we are going to use, we are going to display it in surprise Streamlit because that's our main tool we are using. It's very practical and actually I love it a lot. We are going to use Yahoo Finance as our data source and we are going to use pandas to play with the dataset and to later include it into Streamlit. So let's create a file. It will be our task number 23 year to date return. So let's add it to Git and let's add comments here because we are now going to write something verbally, then make a realization of it in coding with Python. First, create Streamlit application. Second, design Streamlit application. Third, code the formula of calculation for best, worst stocks. Fourth, code structure. So code the calculation, and fifth, display the calculation results. So these are our 5 main phases of coding of the application, and again we are going to do it for scope, stocks and ETFs, and the most important thing, the formula year to date return percent, because we are going to calculate how it was done comparing with the beginning, how it was done during the year. So it will be comparison for the beginning of the year and end of the year. It will be the difference between end of the year price minus start of the year price divided into start of the year price, and all of this multiplied by 100. So this is our main intake. This is the point from which we'll start our code. Let's do our imports. Import Streamlit as st, import Yahoo Finance as yf, import pandas as pd. Now let's configure Streamlit page. Streamlit set page config, whereas the page title will be stock and ETF performance for 2024, and the layout of it will be wide. And configuring the sidebar, Streamlit sidebar header will be dashboard settings, and our potential scope of where we are going to do stock and ETF. So categories will be equal to Streamlit sidebar select box, select category, and the potential options from which it should be selected. It would be the list. First one will be stocks, and next one will be ETFs. So this is it for today. Try this part, get ready for the code implementation for calculating the formula, and we will meet soon enough to complete this task as our first together task on information acquiring and display for 2025, and hope we will have much more than in 2024 when we did 22 tasks. So take care, and we will stay in touch. Thanks for checking our channel, and like, subscribe, and share our videos. See you next time. Bye bye.